Hey guys, it's me, Timmy Gubber, and we're playing Nature Survival. Please subscribe so we can hit to subscribers, and please don't mind the quality of the video. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know how the... What the fuck? We're now at the Twin Towers. I hope I get my first win here. My phone is burning my hand. Oh my god, this guy is definitely a fan. Get away from me, paparazzi. Let's go to the top of the tower. These bitches following my every move. These guys are definitely autistic. Why the actual fucking shitcase did they push me the fuck off of the motherfucking building? Why the heck is this guy staring at me? Guys, I'm sorry I said that bad word. I'm with my uncle again. Just got flung LOL. Guys, COVID is out in prison again. We gotta get to the top. I'm so fucking stupid. Up here with this black guy. We're best friends now. My landlord is calling, I have to. Shit. This is too easy. I can't touch the color gray challenge. Doesn't count. Doesn't fucking count. Still doesn't fucking count. Bricks don't count.